Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special story, which is all about a lovely garden, a close friendship, and the amazing things that happens when we take care of nature. Find a cozy spot and join me. The garden we share. On a bright spring morning, as the sun peeps shyly through the trees, we step out into the garden. I had the seeds tightly in my hand, each little dot full of hope and promise. We dig into the earth, burrowing down to hide our treasure. Carefully, gently, we sow the seeds. We scattered them on the ground like stars in the sky and quickly covered them with a blanket of sweet soil. We wait. The cool air turns to a warm breeze, and the sun shines down to feed our souls and our garden. Tiny shoots emerge like magic, reaching and growing toward the light. We whisper stories to each one, sharing our hopes and dreams. The rain falls and a rainbow appears. Petals of every shape and size burst into life, and before long our garden is riot of color. Tiny red tomatoes hang with green sugar snap peas, all jumbled together in a jungle of leaves. Bright yellow zucchini and ziggy orange pumpkins jostle on the garden, and all around us the sweet smell of basil and lavender fills the air. We lie on a blanket in the grass and listen to the gentle hum of the honeybee, and she drifts in and out of the blooms. The days grow long and hazy. As the sun dips low to the ground, we gather our treasures, snipping and picking, collecting and saving, our arms full of gifts for our friends. We gather together and share stories late into the night, and when the autumn light glows golden, the seeds drop and we collect them, wrapping each one like a secret note. Petals fall and colors fade, and you are gone. The seeds I hold in my hand remind me of you, and I am lost in thought. How can such tiny dots hold such big memories? The cold air of winter rushes in, and the sun does not shine. But on a bright spring morning, as the sun peeps shyly through the trees, I think of you. I dig, I saw. I wait. And as the morning air warms my heart, little shoes emerge like magic, and you are with me again.